Kuzazam bola. Namaste, good morning to all respected viewers. Long live their majesties, long live our leaders, long live our friendship. Uh, so, welcome to this online yoga session, Embassy of India Cultural Center. Today, I would like to recite a very important sloka from Ayurveda text. It recommends balance in the body, balance in the mind. Samadosha samagnischa samadhatu malakriya prasannatmendriya swaste abhidhiyate. So here samadosha samagnischa means inside the vata, the wind, pitta, inside mucus, and vata, pitta, kapha, inside mucus and inside fire, as well as inside wind, it should be in balance. As well as in the mind also, our feelings must be in the balance. Always like to be madhya marga. Madhya marga means middle path. So if once anything will be rise, then it will go to a disorder or disease, like as an imbalance. So here in this regarding, again I would like to stress this important thing, that do not go for overeating in regarding high blood pressure management. If possible, try to avoid animal fats and animal proteins until your high blood pressure comes low. So in this regarding, today we have a very important, very simple preparation. So all we know that, and this is curry pata, curry leaves, available in every market, dry leaves or wet leaves. So if you want make it powder, first of all dry it and make a powder. This is curry pata powder. So try to put only 10 to 5 to 10 grams in a bowl. That's enough. Then after that, and try to add water, the same percentage of water. So here also, if you want to take measurement bowl, and now use very simple measurement cups, and now see, this will be like only 10 ml, right? Enough, 10 ml. So here 10 grams powder and 10 ml water. Then after that, mix it properly. So here in this preparation, if you want add lemon, 1 or 2 drops according to your convenience, you can add lemon drops as well as ginger drops. This is very important preparation. Early morning, drink with the empty stomach. Then after drinking this preparation for at least 1 hour time, do not drink tea or coffees or don't eat anything. Just let it be here inside. So after that, next preparation will be the almost like same preparation. Alright, this is what we call mint leaves, available in every market, mint leaves. So here also, if you want add this mint, first of all make it proper, like a grind, like paste, leaves paste. Or if you want use dried leaves powder, you can make it dry. Then after that, try to use this also like 10 grams. Then after that, the same measurement bowl, and this is what 30 ml bowl. So here use this 30 ml water. Okay, this is 30 ml water. Then after that, mix it properly. This is also very simple preparation. Mix it properly. Then here in this, try to add turmeric. Then 1 or 2 grams enough. That's enough. Alright, and now mix it properly. Then here also, if you want add ginger drop, you can add ginger drop. And now here also empty stomach preparation, or the simple and very effective preparation called like these are onions. So try to cut it pieces. Then after that, try to take one piece and soak it in the curd or soak it in the buttermilk. So this is also early morning preparation. At least soak it for 1 hour or overnight, 1 hour time or overnight. Then after that, eat this one without adding salts and without adding anything, but you can add ginger drops and lemon drops. Then this is also very simple and effective preparation to lower the blood pressure. So try to use any kind of simple home remedies to keep yourself fit and healthy, as well as always try to remember that whenever you are going to eating, do not fill the abdomen, don't like overeat. Then always try to keep like 40% space inside. So we should not feel heaviness after eating any like breakfast or any food. So right now, coming to our yoga workshop. Okay. So today, as in our regular practices, we are doing our sun salutations without forward bend. So right, keep your position straight. And this is itself a very good yoga posture, body straightening posture. Now after that, keep your both the arms lifts up from the sides and lift your arms further up. And from there, then slowly keep your awareness at your pranamas, at your salutation posture, at your chest. Then few seconds stay here. Then after that, open your both the hands forward, lift your both the arms up. Then here, if you want, keep a back bend, slightly put a back bend and few seconds stay here. 1, 2 and 3. Keep your body straight. Once, pull up and very slowly push your abs back and very slowly exhalation. So here, don't keep your head hang. Then try to put your hands on the thigh. Few seconds stay here. So here, no need to crunch your back. But here, this is not actually forward bend. This is actually body stretching. Then few seconds stay. Then again, keep your body straight. Then after that, keep your both the hands down, right leg back and few seconds stay. So we are doing different variations all these 3-4 days. Monday one variation, Tuesday one variation, Wednesday one variation, today one variation. So here few seconds stay here. Then after that, try to put your one hand on the floor, on the palm or on the fist according to your convenience. So try to lift your second arm up and few seconds turn and stay here. 1, no need to hold the breath and no need to close the eyes, and 2, that's enough, come back. Keep your body straight. Opposite side, same thing, adjust your dress, adjust your body to turn the body up and few seconds to stay now. 1, 2 and relaxations, enough, come back. Then here, keep your forward leg to back, stretch and few seconds stay here also, no need to hang your head, keep your head up like in Sarpasana. Then after that, bend the knees and push your body completely forward. If you have pillow or brick, you can use that prop under your chin and few seconds stay. Then lift the chin up, then completely lift the chest up as a lifted head cobra posture. Lift your chin and stay for a while. Then here, don't need to go to forward bending as a Parvatasana, but keep your body, just walk back as Vajrasana. Few seconds stay, relaxation. Here take 3 to 4 deep inhalations and deep exhalations. Right, after that again, stand on the knees and right leg is your forward leg. Completely push your body forward and this time also use your one arm to lift and turn the body and stay for a while. So 1, 2 and relaxations, enough, come back. Opposite side, the same thing, completely rotate your hand and stay. 1, 2 and 3 relaxations, enough, come back. Then after that, keep your back leg on the knee, then back leg to the forward. And again, few seconds, put a forward stretch and stay. Lift your chin and stay. Throat open properly. And then after that, keep your body straight. Lift your both the arms up. And then very slowly rest and relaxations. Enough, come straight. Then slowly keep your both the arms back and relaxations. So here in this recording, the people who are suffering from this high blood pressure or neck issues or head issues, avoid forward bends in the classes or in the homes or in the bathrooms also while lifting your buckets or any weights. But I think here in everyone's home, this kind of rocks or wooden logs are available. Rocks or wooden logs. So try to put one mat on the rock and few seconds stay on the rock as a back bending. Very simple and effective exercise to stretch your body. Then you can do at your convenient level. Just sleep on the rock and few seconds stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then relaxations, enough, come straight. Then very slowly keep your both the hands down and rest and relaxation. Very simple and effective technique. This is natural props for to keep you healthy and fit. Use these rocks. Okay, now same exercise here. So again, adjust your legs, then try to sleep back on the rock. Alright, after that, open your both the hands up. Then wide your both the arms and completely do a stretch on the arms and chest and shoulders and few seconds stay here. 1, 2, 3 and 4 relaxations, enough, come back. Then take a long inhalation and exhalation. Then interlock your fingers, twist your interlock arms completely up. Once completely pull yourself and stay here. 1, 2, 3 and 4 relaxations, enough. Turn the arms and wide your arms and very slowly rest your hands and relaxations. Enough, come back. All right, then very slowly straight. After stretching your body on the rock or on the wooden logs, you will feel lots of relaxation from your lower back to neck. So that will be really beneficial. Good practices like to get rid of the neck pains as well as lower back pains. So using this same technique, we have different angles of leg stretching. Today we will see two leg stretchings. This can be applicable to all. Anyone can do, not only for the blood pressure people. So try to keep your right leg stretch on the rock. Okay, now few seconds push the body towards the rock, then very slowly come back. Second count, push the body towards the rock and come back. Last count, then few seconds stay now. And this is good for your below leg stretching. And few seconds stay here. 1, 2, 3, and 4 relaxations enough. Then same exercise, open your leg, try to lift your toes up. Then same thing, open your right arm, the same side hand towards the same side like toes. Lift your left hand, so completely towards your right side, bend and stay. This is also like Parighasana, one variation with the rock support. And few seconds stay here. 1, 2, 3, and 4 relaxations. Enough, come back. Then very slowly keep your arms straight. Then very slowly keep your legs straight, relaxation. This is also useful in management of chronic menstrual, in the time of menstrual cycles, many people having the issues of the lower abdomen pains. This will be very useful practice to get rid of the cramps inside. Then same thing here, opposite side. Now turn the body opposite side and keep your leg on the mat and rock. Then put your one hand below leg side's hand on the waist, above leg side's hand on the knee or on the waist. Here towards your rock, towards your mat, then completely give a stretch, then come back. This will be also useful for the like girls like pregnancy, like at the first month and second month, till first month and second month, as well as third month also. But according to the teacher's advice, you can do this simple exercise, prenatal yoga. 2, then come back. 3, come back. Last count, few seconds, stay here, and 1, 2, 3, then 4 relaxations. Enough, come back. Then after that, lift the toes up, below leg side's hand lift up. So towards above leg side, completely bend and stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and relaxations. Enough, come back. So basically the idea behind this yoga postures using these props are to relax the body, to stretch your body, to relax the body. Alright, keep your legs straight. Then again long, deep and slow inhalation and exhalation. So after finishing that, again try to sit properly on the mat. Again take just a long deep inhalation and exhalation. So we have, in the name of Swastika, we have many yoga asanas, many postures, but we are not doing the actually Swastika asana, what it has mentioned in the traditional text, but the second variation of Swastika Mudra asana. So try to fold your right leg inside towards your perineal. Then after that, left leg fold back exactly behind your buttocks. Then keep your forward leg still wide towards your, in the line of your right shoulder, and few seconds stay here. And try to press your right forward leg, knee press down and stay for a while. This is also a very good stretching practices for your thighs and pelvic. And few seconds stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, enough relaxation. Then open your forward leg side's hand to the concerned side. Then opposite side hand completely up towards your below forward leg side, completely give a bend and stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then very slowly come back, release and relaxations. During this kind of exercises, if you will feel any like cramps, immediately relax, and first of all relax your body. Then after that, again rejoin the exercise. Now again slowly keep your back leg straight, and few seconds stay relaxation while turn the knees and the thighs on your right side and on your left side. This is itself yoga posture, Jatra Parivartanasana, one of the variations, as well as relaxation posture also. Then few seconds stay, right, come back, relaxation. One long, deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. Then same thing, opposite side first. Fold your left leg inside towards your perineal and right leg outside fold behind the body. After once you folded your legs, try to readjust your both the knees. It must be exactly in the side of the shoulders, in the line of the shoulders, or according to your convenience, match your body lineup. Then here also few seconds stay. Press your forward leg knee and few seconds stay here. 1, 2, 3 and 4 relaxations enough. Open your forward leg side's hand on the consent side. Open your remaining arm completely up towards your forward leg side. Completely bend and stay here for only 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then very slowly come back. Release and relaxations enough. Come back, take a long pause, again few seconds, rest your both the legs, fold your two legs towards your right side and towards your left side. Just roll the body. 1, 2, 3, 4 and last counts 5. Then enough relaxation. Take just long deep slow inhalation and exhalation. So during the practices, so for every yoga posture we have many benefits. So we cannot say that suppose the previous postures not only beneficial for the pelvic stage, this is also those are also good for your obesity management also. Okay, now again my other request is try to take some sunshine also in a day, at least 2 to 3 minutes time in the midday, or at least half an hour time in the early mornings, in the late evenings. Sunshine also very important to the body in management of immunity level boosting. Okay, take yes long inhalation and exhalation. Today our last exercise will be the same breathing pattern. One is perceptional breathe in and breathe out, a regular breath. Then after that, in the same manner, Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. So try to sit in any comfortable posture or on the chair or any good surface. So today I'm now making my lotus posture to do this posture. Okay, to do this practice. Keep your body straight. Then keep your both the arms straight and fold your index finger and thumb and few seconds stay here. Then totally deep long inhalation and very slowly exhalation. Again very slowly inhalation and very slowly exhalation. Again long deep slow inhalation and very slowly deep exhalation. Then soon after this one, use your right hand to open your last two fingers, ring finger and little finger, and use your thumb to close open your right nostril and left nostril. Then turn that mudra, pranayama mudra, towards your face. Now very slowly shift your breath while organizing your nostril close and open. Now start inhalation with the right. And close the right nostril, open the left nostril and complete breathe out from the left. Again open from, lift the air from the left nostril. And close your left nostril, use your right nostril for breathe out. Last inhalation from the right nostril, inhale. And complete breathe out from the left nostril. Then slowly keep your both the hands down and take a long inhalation and exhalations. So in the last, try to set your proper time to do meditation. So in the meditation also, if you want to start your meditation with mantra chanting or exercise and with the concentration practices, you can choose according to your time limit. and then slowly come back. Alright, before conclusion, now keep your both the palms together. Then after that, rub your both the palms and fuse against wide the palms and concentration between the two palms, and turn towards your head and face and keep them on and very slowly relax. Alright, thanking you for giving this opportunity, and we'll meet tomorrow at the same time. Until then, stay safe and stay safe and stay free relaxation.